back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY makeup vanity. So like the impressions vanity with like the mirror with the light bulbs and the drawers and everything like that. My goal basically is to recreate something similar to it for way less than what the ticket price is. I don't consider myself a crafty person at all, like at all. I decided to get the parts of the vanity instead and piece them together myself as like a little DIY project. This will be my first DIY project. I have high expectations for this project, so hopefully it comes out how I plan for it to come out. Let me know what y'all think, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so here we go. You know, I'm going ahead, get my pieces out of the box. I'm not even gonna lie, there were a lot of pieces, and I got really overwhelmed by the time I got all of those things out of that box. I don't even know how all of those things fit in that box, but they did. Anyways, a lot of clutter and stuff I cannot deal. So I started cleaning up my space, you know, organizing my pieces into different sections. They were lettered, so I put them in alphabetical order. I know some of y'all are probably like, well, duh, that's what everybody does. Well, everybody, me, I do not do this normally, so I wouldn't know. Anyways, here I am being a professional. What can I say? Using my screwdriver. Look at that. Singing break. Come on now. Come with it. Look at this. Look at this. Celebrating me getting these small panels done. But you know what? Came through clutch. Anyways, yeah, this was just kind of me looking at the instructions, screwing some stuff down. I got really aggravated with a lot of this stuff because it was just tedious. I cannot sit in a space for a long time. I have to be moving and doing stuff, and I know I'm moving and doing stuff, but I'm moving and doing stuff that I didn't really want to do. So that's the difference. Like, yeah, look at it. I got to dance. I got to do something to burn it out because I don't see how y'all do this, because this was probably the most annoying thing I've ever tried to accomplish. I did it, but this was aggravating to do. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. Look at me making my progress. Yes, I did it. What can I say? I did great. Hey, hi, it's been 2 hours, and that's where I've gotten so far. That's only one of them. I'm too lazy for this. And not a single lie was told. I am far too lazy for this. Actually, I'm far too lazy for a lot of stuff. I just know how to get stuff done that needs to get done. You see what I'm saying? It's all in your mind. And I will sit here and complain until I'm blue in the face and still go get the stuff done, because I'm dramatic and I like to make a scene and be extra before I actually go and get stuff done. So anyways, the drawers, y'all, this was the most aggravating part to build of this vanity set. Out of the entire thing, these drawers, and I get it, you know, the boxes are not big enough for them to already have those built for you, but dang, I mean, every single piece had to be put together, and there were 10 of them, of course, but like, to me, the work that I put in, I felt like I had built like 30 of those things. Like, I don't even understand. Like, come on, like, help us. We're struggling out here. And I'm going to say we, because I know some of y'all are going to struggle trying to put this together too. I'm not out here by myself struggling. Like, some of y'all men are going to struggle with this too, because not all of y'all are crafty. Let's just be real. Anyways, I got the drawers done. Put them in there. Yes. Go ahead and do your dance. Do your dance. Yes. Look at this. Bob the Builder who? Bob the Builder who? Obnoxious. Yeah, that's what I thought. Wasting time. Now I get to go construct the second one. Hopefully in a lot less time than what this took me. And this only took me this long because I was taking lunch break. I'm easily distracted, so. See, this is why this took me multiple days. Like, this doesn't even make any sense. I did a whole commentary on Popeye's macaroni and cheese. No comment. Anyways, your girl got them done. Look at here. Okay, period. We'll be back for part 2 of the project tomorrow of getting the top situated on them. So I took a wipe and wiped down the cabinet tops and also the sides of the wood panel that was actually going to be glued down. I went ahead and I squeezed the glue onto those cabinet tops. This glue hurt to squeeze. Like, Maybe I'm just a weak link, but it hurt my fingers. My dad cut the board for me. He came in and measured it, cut it. I was not touching the saw. I'm scared of stuff like that. Look, I'm just getting my feet wet with building this. I'm not touching the saw. Anyways, I pushed that down, and I set some heavy things on it later. That way it can really be sturdy. This is like the peel and stick marble paper. I ordered this off of Amazon. I'm going to link this in my description. It was really easy to apply, not even gonna lie. And I got that little smoothing tool from Lowe's. It stuck okay to this wood board. It's real wood. I'm pretty sure if you use a different type of wood, it'll probably stick a whole lot better. But either way, it stuck down pretty well. The edges, though, did not stick like good at all. So I made the decision later to just get rid of it. Here we are later on in the night because I quit earlier. I was tired and I just went ahead and got rid of that excess. So here we are the next day, and I decided to go ahead and paint the edges of it white. It came out really good. It was so easy to do. So of course I painted that all around the front edges, the sides, and the back also. Didn't take any time really at all. Pushed that back against the wall, and I was done. I went ahead and mounted my mirror on my little stand. I got that little stand that the mirror is on from Home Goods. I ordered the mirror off of Amazon. I'm also going to link that. But yeah, this is the finished product. It looks so good, and I definitely want to get like the little drawer knobs to update it, but I am so happy with how it came out. Thank y'all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.